Okay, so this is just another way to do question 9, test 5, section 8. So this question reads, a regulation for riding a certain amusement park ride requires that a child be between 30 inches and 50 inches tall. Which of the following inequalities can be used to determine whether or not a child's height each satisfies the regulation for this ride? Okay, so one way to do problems like this, where they have this span of acceptable values, and then they have these various equations with absolute value symbols, less than signs, and then these numbers. So one way to do this is to get the average of the two extremes. So in this case, the average would be 40 in the middle here. And this number goes inside the absolute value symbols, being subtracted from the acceptable height. And then you put an inequality sign that says less than. And there you just have the acceptable distance from that midpoint, 40. So this problem is telling us that the heights could be anywhere within 10 of 40. So that's why you have 10 here. So this way of thinking about this problem resonates with some students. Some students, it doesn't make a lot of sense for some students. But this is just saying you could take any acceptable height. So let's say 41. Subtract 40 from it, and it'll be less than 10. The reason that works is because any value that's acceptable here, it's only going to be at most 10 away from this midpoint here. So that's what this way of solving this problem hinges upon. There's another video where I explain it a different way, so you may want to look at that. That's labeled 5-8-9 part 1.